As you can see, today we're looking at a Craftsman LT1000. This particular Craftsman LT1000 has a Kohler 16 horsepower engine in it. Got a 42-inch deck. Let's take a look at the model number here. Owner put in a brand new battery. Here's the model number. And we can see that it was made in 2002. Looks to be in really good shape. It's a hydrostatic transmission. You see the owner put a chain on the flap there. But it's in really good shape. And there's no rust on it. I know that he stores it indoors. Let's take a look at the engine again. We're looking at the Kohler Command 16 horsepower engine. And we'll get around here to the label that has the specs. There's the mulching blade, the belt information, the air filter information, and so on and so forth. Oil capacity 64 ounces. And down here are attachments. Let me unfold this little bit here. There we go, so you can read that. There we go. I just gave her a tune-up, change the oil, spark plug, air filter, sharpen the blades, grease the front wheels. Just an overall, I had to remove a mouse nest from inside the engine shroud. And the owner, like I said, already put in a brand new battery this year. So that is the Craftsman LT1000 from 2002. Thanks for watching.